This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by proving the fundamentals. Connect via wired Ethernet or a stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi because physical links cut jitter and packet loss. Next, close all background apps and active downloads on your console or PC so bandwidth is dedicated to streaming. Once done, reduce streaming quality in the Xbox app to 1080p at 30 frames per second if you see high buffering. This trades visual fidelity for much lower delay and a snappier input response. You now optimize the network. Restart your modem and router to clear transient congestion and install any pending firmware updates to fix performance bugs. Then enable Co-S or set Xbox device priority in the router so game packets get preferential handling over bulk traffic. Also run a quick ping and traceroute to the nearest Xbox cloud endpoint to identify hops causing delay. If a hop is bad, note the timing and contact ISP. These steps reduce queuing delay and packet reordering, improving responsiveness. Finish by minimizing local input delay. Use a wired controller or a low-latency wireless mode and ensure batteries are fresh because controller lag adds directly to cloud delay. If jitter persists, sign out and reconnect or change the server region to force a new cloud instance. Session placement can matter. If problems remain, gather ping and traceroute logs, note times and symptoms. Then contact your ISP or Xbox support. This targeted data speeds diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.